I have here a 1995 530i. At least that's what it started as. It had the M60B30, so the 3-liter V8, with a blown head gasket. So the owner decided to replace the engine with a 4-liter. So I've replaced the engine with the M60B40 4-liter, and go around this way. I replaced the engine computer with, it was a Bosch 484 ECU, and now it's a Bosch 404 ECU. And I replaced the chip. Rather than a reflash, you actually pop the chip out of the socket and pop in a new chip that was flashed separately. This has the original ZF 5-speed manual transmission, but with an E34 M5 clutch kit and a Chromoly lightweight flywheel. Go ahead and start it up. Show you all what it sounds like. Give it a little rev here.